Chloroiodomethane Lewis dot structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1, but here we have 2 hydrogen atoms, so multiply by 2. Iodine has 7 valence electron, chlorine has 7. So if you add 4 plus 1 times 2, 2, 7 plus 7. So 6 plus 14, that is 20 valence electron totally. This 20 valence electron has 2 tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy octet and duet of the atoms. So let me connect. Now satisfy the octet of outer atom first. So 2, 4, 6, 8, then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We have used all the valence electron. Now count for octet of outer atom first. Octet, octet, right? Then count for duet, duet, duet. Now we need to count for octet of central atom. Carbon is the central atom and it has acid octet. Carbon is the central atom because it is least electronegative, plus it has the highest capacity of making bond. Look, 4 bonds carbon can form, plus hydrogen is always considered the outer atom. So this is the Lewis dot structure. You can replace this bonding pair by a line. This is the structure formula or another way of representing Lewis dot structure.